Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how I created this neon edge design. It's really fun as we transition from spring to summer. The polish that I'm featuring today is Kanpai OPI from the new Tokyo collection. It's this really beautiful periwinkle, and I'm also using this white here. It's got a tinge of purple in it, and it's called Set Apart by Tile Art. And I'm also using Cliff Notes by Color Club, this beautiful neon, and this No Place Like Chrome from Essie. I've got 2 coats of Kanpai OPI on all my nails except for this ring finger here, and I'm going to show you how I created that simple design here. So I'm going to start off taking my white polish. This is the one by OPI, and I'm going to do a layer of that on this nail, and then I'm going to come in with an angled brush, and I've soaked it with acetone, and don't let the white dry, just go ahead and get right into this. And I'm just going to brush that off. Sorry, I got out of focus a little bit, but I'm just going to brush that off. I don't want too many layers because that will peel a little faster, so I take that first layer off on the part that I'm going to do the accent, and then I do another coat and then let that dry. Then I'm going to come in with my WInstonia brush. I'll put a link to all products down below, and I'm using this Cliff Notes. These do dry very quickly, these neon polishes, so you want to make sure that you don't go over it too many times. If you need to go over it, make sure you let it dry, and then you can go over that area again. That's just a little tip for these neons. If you do it too much, it's going to get thick and it's not going to look good, so just make sure you do that. So now I'm going to make sure that I paint the tip there on the top, and then I make sure that I get it all the way down by the side of my nail on the other side as well. Now I'm going to come in with the purple polish, and I'm just going to do this little corner here. You can decide how thick you want your neon stripe to be. I wanted mine to be a little bit thicker. I'm going to put the Instagram handle up here of the person who did this design. Originally I was inspired by this person, and she did her neon stripe a little thinner. I wanted mine to have a little bit more of a pop, so just so you know that that's where I got the inspiration for this design. And now I'm coming in with the silver polish. I'm just going to do one thin line on the other side of the neon polish. Just do that as carefully as you can. And when you're done with that, you're going to let that completely dry. Now I'm going to show you the matte top coat that I like to use. This is Glisten and Glow. I also like to use the regular Glisten and Glow top coat. These are the 2 that I use quite often. So this is the one I use for this design. So I'm going to do a coat here on top of that. I've already done it on my other nails, but it just does leave a fun matte finish on your nails. And that's the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I think it's fun to do these easy, simple designs at times, just because I think anybody can do them if they try and practice. So let me know if you're going to practice this design. Let me know in the comments and give me a thumbs up. Thanks guys, we'll see you later.